Hey guys, back again with another video. And today, these are my new fidget spinners. I kind of designed one. Wait.
I understand. I do. I guess now I find that the king won't banish me from Corona when he finds out about this.
Well, yes.
This one.
We shall see what the king decides.
Prince Gate. This one. And this one. I was looking for my pink one, and here it is. So, guys, I need to explain to you how my fidget spinners are fast. So, my fidget spinners are fast because I put baby oil in them, and a spray in it, and also I spinned it on a smooth. It really went fast. Really don't know if I should get new ones or not. All the fidget spinners, I kind of give them to my brother. And I might make another video tomorrow or maybe. Yeah, tell your friends to subscribe. Gotta get 40 subscribers in June, the last day of school. I'm trying to get 10 subscribers on this one. 10 subscribers. And then I could give a shout out to you. Or maybe IG or Snapchat or anything. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed the video. And sorry it was short. I just wanted to make a video real quick.